How to fix Windows Update error 0x8007010b. Hello dear friends. In very first line we can say that in case of error 0x8007010b, usual fixes don't work normally. So we will start here with in place upgrade. Usual fixes include running troubleshooter, resetting Windows Update cache, running SFC and DISM, etc. Apart from this, we will explain the normal troubleshooting methods too. If they work for some of you guys, then very well. We request you to subscribe the channel, friends, and like the video if it helps. Now let's start. Method 1. Run in place upgrade. Go to the official Windows 11 download website. Link is given in the description if you have any issue. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on download now. On the next page, click on choose one. Select the language that suits you. Click on confirm. Now click on 64-bit download. The file will be downloaded. Once completed, click on File Explorer icon. Select Downloads. Right click on the downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. Wait for a while. You will get Open File Security Warning dialog. Click on Open. Right click on Setup.exe. Select Open. On the Install Windows 11 window, click on Next. Click on Accept. Check Keep Personal Files Only. Click on Next. Do you want to continue using this selection? Click on Yes. The latest version of Windows 11 will be installed. Now come to the basic troubleshooting methods. Method 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Here select Other Troubleshooters. This is Windows Update. Click on Run. Let the process complete and follow the suggestions given by the tool. Restart your computer and then check for updates. For checking update, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Windows Update, and then click on Check for updates. Method 3. Reset Windows Update cache. Click on Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. On the elevated command prompt, type the command net space stop space W U A U S E R V. Press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. These commands are being given in the description. In the end, reboot the device. Method 4. Run System Files Checker and DISM tools. Click on Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Type SFC / scan now and press enter. This will take approximately 10 minutes. After this command is executed, run these 3 commands. These are DISM commands. These are also given in description. After running these commands, reboot your device. Method 5. Uninstall third-party software. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Let all the apps load. Find the third-party app or antivirus software that can interfere with the Windows update process. Once found, click on 3 dots icon. Select Uninstall. For confirmation, again click on Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. At last, restart your device and check for Windows update. Last but not the least, method 6. Run disk cleanup. Click on Search. Type disk cleanup. Select disk cleanup. Choose the drive. Click on OK. Click on Clean up System Files. Again choose Drive. Click on OK. Check all the boxes in this section. Click on OK. Click on Delete Files. After cleaning up, restart your device. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.